but you can tell how shallow it is because it's a little ripple all the way across there. Average mile per gallon, 74 miles per gallon. I've done 150 miles roughly off-road, and it cost me $4.88. Got them a nice spot. This is a historic area of Reliance, Tennessee. The river's really wide, but you can tell how shallow it is because it's a little ripple all the way across there. You can tell where it's like, and everything is really high right now. So normally it would probably be rocks that you could probably almost jump across there the whole way, I'm guessing. You can see the little ripples. That's a cool little building right there though. Yeah, see, that water is already cleared up some, which is really cool because yesterday it would have been just absolutely raging. You can see how the trees and stuff over on the side are pushed over. I'll have a little over 300 miles for this trip, which has really been good considering all the flood and rains and everything that we have had the last couple of days. Creeks were overflowing, and like I said, I was crossing places that were creeks that probably are not even normally creeks. So way over 100 waterfalls, where, you know, different places where it was coming off the mountains. Normally probably wouldn't even be a waterfall, really, you know, just a trickle or runoff or a drain. I mean, it was 40 something degrees this morning, but really with all the gear and everything you have on, you know, you want it to be cool. You definitely don't want to be burning up hot. So sunny today, absolutely beautiful day. The gearing, by the way, on the Rally, for me, 13 sprocket up front, 42 in the back, Tusk D Sport tire in the back, Pirelli MT21 in the front. In my opinion, absolutely perfect on road and off road. You got authority in 5th and 6th gear on the highway. Still does 70 miles an hour easy, but mainly off-road, where you're continuously shifting. I was between 2nd, 3rd, and 4th in these hills and off-road. You can stay in 3rd gear and lug down, and it's got enough torque and gear and to just power through those places. You're not continuously shifting up and down. So I would highly recommend that gearing. Waterfall over there.